we're going to Farnborough. It was my dad's birthday on Wednesday last week, so we are just going for a barbecue there. So yeah, I thought I should do a vlog. This is like, we're still on the weekend, like a family vlog weekend kind of thing. So yeah, the husband is here. He's the one who's driving. And the kids, they're just being mischievous, as you can see. So yeah guys, we will see you in the next bit. But yeah, you know me and enjoyment. No matter how tired I am, I will still go for enjoyment. So yeah, I am going for enjoyment. I love enjoyment. I make every effort to be in enjoyment because I love enjoyment. So yeah, see you guys when you get to Farnborough. So that's me and my family just arriving here, guys. It's our first time visiting my mbuya. We haven't been here. They've recently moved and we really like their house. We are so happy for them, and the kids are just getting familiar with the players, playing with their cousins and having fun. The men are already outside. They are doing their gochigochi. They are BRAAI. We don't call it barbecue in Zimbabwe. We call it gochigochi or BRAAI. So you know, these men, they always get full before, you know, the pot started. Before the pot starts, they will be like eating and drinking outside. By the time that you finish making everything else, they will already be full. So yeah, now they're just doing the barbecue. They were doing beef, and we had some other meat as well that we cooked inside the house. Normally, sometimes barbecue involves like beef, sausages. There's just a lot of things that you can put on the barbecue. Chicken, those are like our Zoom favorites. And the boys are just having fun, just mingling, just laughing. Just proper fun, proper banter. It's just amazing to see, to look at. So obviously, all the barbecues, they need sadza. So sadza is like our African native, I wouldn't say African, like Zimbabwean staple food. It's made with maize meal, like that maize meal that I'm putting in there. So I was just helping to mona the sadza. We call it monaring sadza. I was just helping to cook the sadza. And Gianna, just being Gianna, she was just on my back. She was just being stingy. She's like that sometimes. She doesn't want to play with everyone. She just want to be with mommy. So she was on my back and I was helping with sadza. I think me and my name Lizzie helped with the sadza. She did most of the things. But yeah, I helped to mona the sadza. I did put my part. So yeah, we're just having fun. And you can see my mom, she's on the phone. She's like that on most events. We James can do a bass. Do auntie. I'm do auntie down. What you look for, So guys, that's how we do barbecues. When we say barbecue, actually it's meant to be gochigochi, so we'll be gocharing the meat outside. So it's like mainly beef or sometimes sausages that you just put on the barbecue stand outside, and then the women will be inside. Huh?
I'm just grateful that I have him in my life and I love him.
And may God bless you.
My husband, your first husband. Just want to thank you, Bankulu, for your good heart, for your kindness. If only I can be half or maybe quarter of who you are, I'll be a better person. I just want to thank God for your life and for everything that He does for you. And tongoramba chinamachola mwari kuti vakuwedzerei makore akawanda and varambe vachikuropafadzai, varambe vachikukomborai. Thank you.
Amen.
Indongoti tsanoka makorokoto mararamba achikuwedzerai sipatikaya kunoko sezvamangonzwawo nevana vadiki chaivo chavataura takasvikira maoko menyu ende tinotenda rudo, we cannot say it in words. Makatibata zvakanaka tikarogara and inini fortunately ndakasvikawo mazi acho pamba nezvaiitika, makatibata zvakanaka tsana, saka marakukomborei nerudo rwamuna munombotiselekta. Happy birthday.
Definitely.
I wish Dad a happy 50th plus birthday.
50th plus.
50th plus.
Yeah.
I couldn't have asked for a better father-in-law.
Yes.
And if me and Terry can be as happy as you and Mum, we'll like be blessed. Like so. But yeah, happy birthday, Dad. So, wish you many more years to come.
Okay, I just want to thank God. I'm going to say it in English for the benefit of my son-in-law, so that you hear what I'm going to say. Yeah, I don't even know where to start. Like, since I've met him, yeah, there is not even a day which we have like stayed with only my family. Never. Since I've met him, we have never. He's so welcoming. Yeah, I've got this one who wants to come. You'll never say no. Let us help them. Let them come here. Most of people here, we will receive them through this man. He's not a hard man. Maybe.
Too much.
But
Like, yeah.
but he loves me with that.
Yeah.
Give me Scott. Yeah, because I'm a good mother, you know, isn't it? Yeah. So I just want to thank God for your life, Dr. Chwalamira. May God bless you with your heart. He's a good God. He's a, hey, I love this man. I love this man. I wish guys, hey, I wish everybody could just do what he does.
Yeah.
With their wives. It's not about Kudziza, to be honest. I met him without anything, without a doctorate. No, not doctorate, not even a degree. He just said he was doing AGA. We took from there. So I helped him going to school. And he's helping me going to school as well. He's a loving, caring husband. And I never, hey, I wish you guys, I wish my brothers could do that to me.
Vari ku download kwa kupi? Towa download da kupi?
But you're good, guys.
Just have a download.
Guys, but guys, to be honest, you're my brothers. I just want you to love.
And your son as well. Yeah. Yeah.
I know Scott loves you, to be honest. You are the no doubt. You are the
You're
problem.
the problem.
Yeah.
In front of God, I wish everyone could just be like my husband. The way he treats me, my brothers, I want you to treat your wives the same way he does, to be honest.
Yeah.
Hey, your wives will do
Volume boy.
You'll do anything. You will not like what doctor does.
Volume boy. Big volume boy.
May God help us to love each other.
Yeah.
Because if we show each other love, hey, we'll go far.
We'll go far.
We'll go far. Just by love. The greatest is love. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Volume mashoko makuku too from my doctor.
I'm now 56 years old. Which means that I spent almost 20 years of my adulthood in this country. And I still remember when we started to read here, I used to be two of us with my wife.
Yeah.
We didn't have very close relatives. Even my brother, Marvelous, who witnessed that.
Yeah.
Yes. In the past, we used to have parties. We have probably would travel from here to London, or to Leeds, or to Birmingham, or Wales to meet other Zimbabweans. But now, if I can look in this house, it's almost that we are almost very close to each other.
Yeah.
Which means that people who are close together are now coming to England.
Yeah.
So my wish is that those who have come here, don't keep it to yourself. We have, all of us, we don't come from very rich families. Get me right, I always say that. We come from families that need the help from other people. So if you've got a young brother, a young sister, who meets the condition of being in this country, I always tell that, yes, it's not easy to get these visas, they've got conditions for them. But if you've got a relative or a friend who meets those conditions, please help them.
Thank you.
We started,
Thank you.
yes, when we started, we were only two.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We used to live, the two of us. But nowadays, because we are so many of us now, we can't share. So that's what I'm trying to say, that as you live and experience this country, try to make advantage of it. Myself, I wouldn't be regret that I came to you. I have seen good things and also bad things. I managed to acquire 4 more degrees in this country. The first one was, of course, the SCCA. The second one was Masters in Finance and Accounting. The third one was Masters in Business Research. The third one was postgraduate certificate in business administration. And the last one, which I got last year, is a PhD in business management. So what I'm trying to say is that don't accumulate age without making advantage of that age. As you grow older, try to upgrade yourself. The last time I worked for someone else, my wife will witness, she's my witness. It was in 2008. I tried probably to go to work, I think. 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I couldn't last even a week. But I resigned before I started. I am happy that now we are celebrating my 50th birthday with a lot of very close friends, very close relatives. And again, the past, like what I've said, we used to travel very far for parties to do these things.
And now we are doing it.
Now we are doing it right at our own background. Yeah.
Takachi master. So this is where the vlog ends. We're just going home. This is like 12 midnight. Everyone is just going home. This is where the vlog ends. So yeah, hope you guys are gonna have a lovely week. We are leaving Gianna here, so she's crying like